Hi guys, in today's video, we'll be looking at how to limit login attempts in WordPress. Limiting login attempts can help prevent your website from what we call a brutal force attack, whereby a hacker tries to log into your website using try and error method many times. So to limit login attempts, we go to plugins. From the plugins, we click on add new. So from the plugins page, you search for a plugin called limit login attempts reloaded. So from here, we can see the plugin. We click on install now, click on activate. So from here you see a notification from the plugin telling us where to send security notification and also subscribing for email address. So I'll click on no and I'll click on continue. And you also have a premium version, but what we need for this is the free version. I'll click no thanks. So from the dashboard setting, I can see the field login attempts. So currently I have 0 failed attempts. So I'll go to settings. So from the settings, I have different options here. The GDPR compliance, and you can click this on just to ensure that your plugin is GDPR compliant. And this is the GDPR message that will show. So you also have the notification email address. The next option is display top level menu items. So you can leave this checked on. So I'll scroll down to the local app. Now you have the lockout, which is set to 4. So I just have only 4 attempts and I have 20 minutes to be locked out. I also have the 4 lockouts, which increases the lockout time 24 hours and also 24 hours until retries are reset. So you can increase this and also increase these options, but I'm just going to leave mine as default. So I'll click on save settings. So my setting is saved. So I'm going to log out. So from here, I'm going to type in my email address. I'll click login. So you can see incorrect email address or password. So you can see I have 2 attempts remaining. And notice here we also have the notification, the GDPR notification. So if I put in the wrong password again, I'll press login. So you can see I only have 1 attempt remaining. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I'd like to know how today's video has helped you out on your WordPress career journey. Like, subscribe, share. Thank you guys.